Hi everyone, in this video we'll be talking about covalent bonding, presented to you by Precool Skillz. So, what is covalent bonding? Covalent bonding is formed by sharing electrons between atoms. An electrostatic attraction force is formed between the nucleus of the shared atoms and the shared pair of electrons. So, here is a hydrogen molecule. Each hydrogen atom shares one electron each. This is known as a single covalent bond. Here is an oxygen molecule. Each oxygen atom shares two electrons each. This is known as a double covalent bonding. Nitrogen, on the other hand, has each atom sharing 3 electrons each. This is known as triple covalent bonding. So, there are two types of covalent substances. One is simple molecules. This exists as solids, liquids, and gas. Some examples are iodine, water, and carbon dioxide respectively. Giant structures exist as solid, and some examples are diamond and graphite. Let's take a look at simple substances. They have low melting and boiling points. Molecules are held together by weak intermolecular forces. This leads to less heat energy needed to break them apart. As the size increases, the intermolecular forces also increases. This leads to energy to break apart and melting and boiling point also to increase, as shown in the diagram. Moving on to giant structures, they have very high melting and boiling point. The atoms are held together by strong bonds and they need more heat energy to break apart. Let's look at something known as allotropes. This is when different forms of an element are in the same physical state. So let's start with carbon. One example of an allotrope is graphite. It is a giant covalent substance. Its layers move, so it can be used as a lubricant. It conducts electricity since it has delocalized electrons. Next, let's see diamond. This is also a giant covalent substance. It is the hardest natural substance in the earth. It does not conduct electricity since it has no delocalized electrons. Next, we move on to Buckminster Fullerine. It is a simple molecule and shares the shape of a football. The atoms are arranged hexagonally. Let's see conduction in covalent compounds. Generally, covalent substances does not conduct electricity. The only solid exception is graphite. When acids are dissolved in water, they are mobile, so they can conduct electricity. Get the quiz and presentation at precoolskillz.com.